Summer. Good morning, everyone. I need somebody who can let me out my ways. Hitting Hello, good morning. Wait lang. Ay, kailangan ko lang mag-coffee. I need to get hot water. Kahit naman ka. Hi, Johnny Labata. Hi, Johnny. Hello, Johnny. Thank you so much. Thank you for the 2, 3, 2. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you so much. Thank you, Sonaga Heart. Thank you so much. Hi, hello. Thank you for the 5 people. Mama na. Para sa'yo ang kulay rosas. Thank you so much. Thank you for 3 people watching. Thank you so much. Nagalotang-lotang na. Praise party. Ganda mo. Sa ano lang yan? Sa camera lang po.
Ang mga lalawigan po na kasama sa bar, mga kapatid o
Good morning.
region in Muslim Mindanao ay
Good morning, Grace. Thank you so much for watching.
Maguindanao del Norte, Maguindanao del Sur, at
Ang kulay rosas
part ng bar o BARMM. Ito kayo kinukwento ni Manong Ted kanina na before bar, ARMM.
Hi, I am. Welcome everyone. Please like, share, subscribe, and activate the notification bell to watch more enjoyable content. Thank you, I am.
At ng Moro Islamic Liberation Front.
Oo nga, ganda ka. Bakit? Oh, thank you.
October 2012 pa, pero napirmahan po yan mga kapatid, base po dito sa mga datos ay noong March 27, 2014. Pinirmahan po ang kasunduan ng tinatawag na Comprehensive Agreement on the Maximum
Thank you so much.
Ayan, dito na po pumapasok yung commissioning na binabanggit ni Manong Ted.
Ang kulay rosas para sa'yo at hindi ko. You're welcome, Sheryl. Taga saan ka po? Praise party.
At gaano pagsubok po pinagdaanan nito. Meron pong makarating na halala ngayong pong October, ito yung kauna-unahang eleksyon para nga po dito sa
Taga saan po sila? Good morning, Sheryl. How are you? I'm fine. Sir Gas, thank you for asking. I'm fine. How are you, Sir Gas? Sanders. Ang kulay rosas at hindi ko. I'm doing good, thank you. That's nice, Sir Gaz.
ng mga iba't ibang aksyon na nagpupuno muna sa pangalan kong MNLF. If you recall, si Nur Visuari po ang leader dito. Naka-exile na po ito si Visuari sa pagkakakanta natin na sa South dito na magkaroon ng One Revolution. Nung panahon yung mga kapatid, ang mga kababayan natin
Wow, that's so very
ay nagkaroon ng
kulay rosas.
So, dahil po dito sa kampanya ng pamahalang Marcos noon, si Lourdes Suarez po siya po ang isa sa mga founders ng MNLF. And you also recall, may pong si Chairman Ibrahim at si Hashim Salamat, mga miyembro po yan ng MNLF. Dati po. So, nang sila po, mga kapatid, ay tinatawag para po sa lasting peace in Mindanao, so nagkaroon po ng peace talks. And then, po, si Lourdes Suarez, ang naging kausap po dito ng gobyerno, yung pong MNLF, mga kapatid, hindi po nagkakaroon Ginoong Visuary. So nagkaroon ng paksyon sa FNFF na buo dito yung LIFF. Bagamat nagtuloy-tuloy po yung peace process with FNFF, mga kapatid, kaya po ipinara yung AIFF na bahagi din po ng ating konstitusyon. Nakalagay po dyan, dapat magkakaroon tayo ng isang autonomous region in most of the world. Kaya nagkaroon po ng AIFF.
Good morning, Cheryl. Hi, we in the Philippines. Good morning. At hindi ko ipamin. Pa. Ah, sige. Hola. Hi, Al. Hola.
Kung saan po naman MILF naman ang naging kalaban ng ating mga tropa. Ngayon mga kapatid, ito pong MILF, nagsimula nga po din ang nakikipag-usap dito para uminon
Good morning, Sir Ray. Thank you for the thumbs up. Ano ko? Wala yung
nagsimula itong seryoso na pakipag-usap.
Hit the like button. Thank you, Sir Ray. Fake. Thank you, Sir Ray.
Na hindi po din gusto itong ginagawa. Kaya nabuo naman po yung BIFF. Itong Bangsamoro,
Sorry.
Islamic Freedom Fighters. Ito po yung nakapakbakan actually ng SAP 44.
Ay para sa'yo at hindi ko nananaw.
Ngayon, nag-transition po ito. Simula yung usapan, marami yung mga kung ano-ano pong mga framework agreement, comprehensive agreement on the
What time province are you in? Bicol, Sir Ray.
tawagin ay annex on normalization.
From
etc.
Bicol.
So basically po, tumawag ito nung panunungkulan ni Pangulong Duterte. Okay, so nag-carry over po ito. Nagtuloy-tuloy pa rin po ito. Usapan ito. Kaya din po, nauwi na sa panukala na magbuo tayo.
Don't you wish you're perfect? Yes, I remember now. Thank you, Sir Ray. Where are you now, Sir Ray? Ray in the Philippines. Where are you here in the Philippines? Thank you, Son of Tamsek. Ay, sa nag-heart. Tagaytay. Wow, beautiful. I'm from Legazpi City, Cheryl. Ay, wow. Bicolana po ako, Mom Grace Party. Thank you for the 9 watching here. Thank you for the 9 people. Ika. Hindi ko na namisipan. I did a live stream yesterday from Fancy Restaurant. Overlooking Taal Lake and Volcano. Wow, that's so beautiful view. Where are you in Bicol? Sorsogon po, Ma'am Grace. Okay.
Not a single one has successfully undergone transition to produce civilian life, as other interventions for decommissioning have essentially not been provided, save for the 100,000
But data wasn't fast enough and the stream only lasted less than, yes, the internet connection. not good.
doon sa 26 na libo
I feel it. I feel that because when I do live, when I'm going to beautiful view, sometimes doesn't work because no internet connection. Hi Mark. Hi. How are you, Mark? Hi. Hi, Arabic.
bawat isang ibong bata. Okay. Ngayon,
Good evening. Good evening, sir. Sir, mom.
ang pinakadulo nito sa kanya pong mga warehouse locations. Alright? Premises considered, it is hereby resolved that the decommissioning of the remaining 14,000 empty-handed companies and 2,450 weapons
Welcome, my heart.
upon
Sana all.
by the government of the Philippines in the other branch of normalization, including the issue of socio-economic package as agreed upon by the government of the Philippines and by implementing files to the 26,145 combatants, those under the first and third okay. Dahil sa hindi tumutupad po ang Philippine government,
Thank you for the 6 people watching here. Thank you so much.
natitirang 14,000 mga armadong grupo, mga armadong miyembro ng MILF,
How are you, sweetheart? Sweetheart? I'm fine. How about you, Arabic?
may lumabas kay Sheryl Ohm.
Maingay.
August 16 ang petsa nito.
Maingay sa labas.
Dito ho,
What did you do?
napirmado pa rin po ni Chairman
I'm doing clean home,
sabi po dito, no?
and later I'm going to work.
ng MILF, no? ng MILF at ng Bangsamoro Islamic Armed Forces. Kasi nga, umuunaw sila doon eh. Ahagi po ito ng autonomous region na pinipilan. So they have their own military armed forces, kumbaga armed forces. And then, ito hong mga line agencies kasama ng MILF. Sinasabi po dito, okay. Effective immediately, dahil daw po doon sa kanilang July 19 memorandum, no rank commanders, base commanders, designated deputy commanders, or heads of other line agencies, and their representatives shall participate in
I open YouTube for you to see you. Really?
organization activities
You know me?
organized by the national government.
We in the Philippines, roasters make me sleepy because I'm stubborn. Roasters telling me to get up, and I say, "You're not the boss of me." That's right. I feel it. I miss you. I love you. You know me. Petrol, hi Petrol. Welcome back again. How is the day? As today is a sunny day. Good day. Petrol, 100%. Thank you so much. Thank you for the thumbs up, everyone. Thank you for 8 people.
Last batch na yan kasi may mga hindi pagsunod ng Philippine government na pinapangako. Ngayon ito pong pinaka-memorandum sinasabi, o ang sino man
Your husband is with you and you don't care about him. What?
lang ng decision, unilateral,
What?
ang sino man na susunod pa rin
You don't know me. I thought you know me. Oh my God.
branch commanders na yan, base commanders na yan, mga deputy commanders na yan, na hindi susunod doon sa July 16
Hi Petrol. If I told you to come next to me, would your husband get upset? I don't know you. Even I don't where you're from. You playing? Nice joke. She's a respectful young lady, very respectful. Thank you, Petrol. Thank you, Petrol.
Kasi nga sa ngayon, meron pong pinakahuling balita din na ito nga po, no, meron pong pakpakan na nangyari din at ang report na
Walang tigil ang Paano ng pag-ibig sa isa't isa? I want to come next to you. Do you accept? Why should I say I accept? I don't know you. Even your name, I don't know your name. I don't understand Arabic. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. Hi for 9. Hamsek.
At hindi lang ni Ma'am Shena, ni Sir Robert Galang. Oo, Sir Robert, Ma'am Shena, happy birthday.
Petrol. It will never happen.
Kasi alam mo,
Thank you, my
yung iba naman dahil
team.
ang iniisip malayo sa atin, wala itong epekto sa atin eh.
What? Imagine if I come to you as a guest and saw you and come to you and love you, would you let me kiss you? Oh my God. You don't know what you're saying. So wrong person. Wrong person. Yes. Oh, I just looked for Bicol because I wasn't sure where it was. I can drive there. What would be your recommendation for a good place to visit? Modesta Resort. Thank you for the 10 people here. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Never. What was the name of the resort? Modesta. Modesta Resort. The beautiful place. And the beach. What is the beach? I forgot the name. Yes, Modesta Resort. Modesta. Yes, rain in the Philippines. Modesta. That's nice. It's a nice place. And the volcano here in the Bicol, it's so beautiful. How's your morning? How's your day? My morning is beautiful. Oh my God. Morning, beautiful morning, and I slept well. Kung may babalik ko lamang panahon at ang oras, di sana lungkot at pagsisisi ay you buying bread. I want to buy bread. Oh my Thank you for the thumbs up. I want to buy bread. Wait, just some few minutes. I just go outside, buy bread. I will send tomorrow. Oh my god, thank you. Thank you. Bread, bread. Ako, ha?
At ang sabi ng mga kapatid natin, maging si James Banaag, abay naninawan daw siya dito sa nangyayari sa barko. Oo, oo. Pwede narinig mo na halimbawa itong balita ng Commission on Elections, itong pag-atras ng MILF mula sa decommissioning activities na sinasabi mismo ni Public Chairman George Garcia na kung pwedeng maka-apekto nga po sa pagpapatuhan ng gun ban at ng paparaming na eleksyon. Pero huwag lang yung alam natin eh. Magalagang hindi malalim yung alam na bakit, gano'n ba kahalaga yung decommissioning? Saan ba nagsimula ito? Kung hindi matutuloy yung last batch ng decommissioning, ano posibleng mangyari? Babalik pa tayo doon sa bago nagsimula yung peace process. So ngayon, mas malinaw na, sabi na ng mga kapatid natin dito, very timely. Maraming salamat, mahalaga at napapanahong may paliwanag ng issue na yan dyan. So, yung chika dito ni Roldan Paraguso, na si James Banaag mismo, ang sabi niya, sa tagal ko sa mundong ibabaw, ngayon lang ako nalinawan dun sa issue ng MILF. Gano'n pa katagal niya?
Bread.
Yun ang sinasabi mo.
Yes, it looks beautiful. Maybe I will make a vlog about it in October. Oh, you going there in October? Wow, that's nice. Around the Philippines. With your wife? With your Filipina girlfriend or wife? Nice. Nice, we're in the Philippines. Wait, I need to follow you. I will join your live survey in the Philippines. Thank you for joining here. Thank you, my team. Oh my God. I buy tomorrow. Ano? Yummy food. Thank you so much. Yeah. Mm. Hi, it's on closer. Hi.
Di ba natutupad? Di ba daw natutupad po ng gobyerno? August 16 nga ito inilabas, pero yung normal na election natin dito sa sa outside of bar, di ba baby ang mga electoral board members ay mga teachers. Pero doon sa kanilang lugar, ang electoral board members po mga kapatid ay volunteer at Coast Guard. 1,000 members kayo ng Philippine Coast Guard ang meron na, pero sinasabi dito ng COMELEC, 9,000 daw ang kailangan nila na mga magbabantay po ng 3,000 polling precincts para nga po sa paparating na eleksyon ng Bangsamoro parliamentary elections dyan po sa area na yan at ng farm. So, syempre, we're hoping na maging maayos po yung pag-uusap ng MLF ng ating gobyerno. Though sinasabi nga po ditong Office of the Presidential Advisor and
Read my
Police
message.
Reconciliation and Unity o OPACRU na even before pa daw, yung commissioning na nangyari noong 2023, ito talaga natuloy din ang issue eh. Kasi wala nang tinatanong sa listahan.
Oh no. Okay, no.
Yung mga MILF members, ang
Okay, I'm not do it.
kapalit po ng perang ibibigay ng gobyerno. So ang tanong, pwede na ba talaga na nabigyan ng ganitong armas? So talagang totally wala pa.
Pero namang
Mangilan-ilan.
mismo inaamin ng mga video sa kanila July 16. Memorandum.
Na meron ng mga nabigyan.
Yung,
Pero na-halt yung operations of 2023 mga yun ang sinasabi.
Not do it.
And since then, wala pa daw yata ulit nangyayari na negotiation.
sorry, July 19. Pero naman dito, no? Kasi dito na mismo sa kanila kung dokumento.
I'm not do it.
MILF, Central Command Regular Meeting, Resolution. Dito naman sinasabi, opo, doon sa yung 26,145 na mga MILF forces decommission, okay? Oo, ay nabigyan ng
Up, 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 up. I read.
26,000.
I read.
Ang hindi doon na
I'm not look.
sa 26,000
I do nothing.
ay yung kung sinasabi
5 pesos. 10 pesos. 15 pesos. 20 pesos. 25 pesos.
6,145 na mga MILF kung patas. Okay, sige. So far, kahit na hindi natin siya makontak, baka biglang nagkaroon ng pagpupulong.
Now.
Kasi nga, abala pa
Okay.
tayo, may sure.
Peace advisor, yung mga sa last statement niya, syempre positibo pa rin po siya. Sinasabi niya nga po dito, we believe an open and sincere dialogue between both sides is the best way forward. We trust that both the government and the MILF are sincere in upholding the path and preserving the peace gains achieved so far. So,
Kasi mas ito ang nangyayari dito. Talaga pong hindi na sa Pilipinas. Kahit lang sa ibang mga bansa. Lagi pong may ganyan pong mga pangyayari. May isang grupo, nakausap po, halimbawa sa Estado. Kaya may iba doon na hindi po. So yung gusto yun,
I'm not do it.
naturalesa.
No, I read.
tao na hindi mo gusto to. Parang dito sa opisina, halimbawa, nasa isang malaking
My God.
tayo, 20 tayo na nandun.
Wait.
Sa
Aray. Aray. Yeah, connection is bad. Thank you, Mark. Hi, Mark. How are you, Mark? Everything okay? Yes, everything is okay. Everything. I'm still beautiful. My eye bags is real. Ulala. No sounds. No sound. No sound. It's not muted. No sounds, Mark. There is sound, Mark. Ah, okay. Maybe your phone, Mark, is muted. The Gerard Stella. Hi, the Gerard Stella.
24 senators, pero kanya-kanya rin silang faction doon. Sa party list. Puntahan mo na.
Thank you for the 12 people watching. At the thumbsack. Sorry. Thank you for watching. Sika! Che! 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 Pe! 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 Sika! Sika! Che! 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 He!
So mga kapatid, ito ngayon pupuntahan natin bago sinimulan. Siyempre lang po nangyari
Kulang na kulang ba? Hindi pa ba sapat? Inubos ko na. And today, I buy camisita di chino. Today, after live. Too much things to do today. Oh my goodness. Good.
isang manifestation ng isang senador na pinagkat kahapon.
Oh my
Maraming
goodness.
salamat, Professor. Kamusta tayo sa aming klase? Sa Sibika at Kultura, susunod po ang unang sabi.
Kulang na kulang ba? Hindi pa ba sa... Hi, langga. Cheryl, your Wi-Fi is not good now. Okay? I need to end the live now. Bye-bye. See you tonight. See you tonight again. Bye. My Wi-Fi is not good now. It's keep repeating. Okay? Bye-bye. Bye. See you later.